Hello Chef Shiva, what are you making today?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm
afternoon.
Shiva.
Yes.
So I'm basically a South Indian chef. Today I'm making appam. So it's basically from Sri Lanka, Ceylon, which is you know that Sri Lanka state. That's a country, right?
Yes.
Most of the dishes like paratha. See, till it's slightly this is paratha. Let's come to here. So paratha and then appam. These are the Sri Lankan items, and South Indians also contains the items. Like now I'm making a Kerala, which is specially from Kerala, and it contains a coconut milk. Okay, so let me show you how to make this, and then wipe it up. If we didn't wipe it up, means it won't come properly. So this is the batter. Just put one ladder of batter in this, and then see this is the tricks of this. Come it like this, and then finish it like this.
Wow.
Okay. So we have to increase the temperature. So close it for a while. It will take at least 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. I think it's finished. So let's see, and then like place it on a plate. So this thing, there is 3 stews we having. This is a chicken stew, and this is a prawn stew, and this one is a veg stew. Apart from this, my favorite is there. Let me show you.
Okay.
My favorite is it's a coconut milk with elachi and sugar. So that's the best goes with this. Okay, let's have this. So what we used to do is put it in the center of this appam, and then just stir it up, dip it up, and eat it up. Bye bye.
Like, share, subscribe.
Thank you.